Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Newtown Square, or 11 miles east of Westchester, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Westchester, Gloucester City, Norristown, Chester, West Deptford, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Devon, Westtown, Woodbury, Conshohocken, Palmyra, Hatboro, Souderton, Falkirk, and Ambler. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 320 and 345. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 36. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 2 and 32. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 24. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m.